I'm going to do an inspection here. So this is my aunt's friend's house. She's thinking of getting new garage doors. So it looks like they have the Chaimberlain belt drives. So those are pretty good openers. So I'll go around here. So these are the wall controls. We have light.
I'm gonna play with on the car.
And if you look under here, we have learn and lock, and the sensors can turn on and off. So the openers look pretty good shape.
They're in Florida.
So the openers look like they're in pretty good shape.
Why didn't they use their car? Why didn't they use their car? They walked to the airport. They used the airport.
Okay.
They used their other car.
So yeah, this one's in good shape. Now let's try that one. Is this control? Right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one needs a bit of lubrication. I'm sure that might be all they need, and look at that spring there. Then under here, well, you can't see, but yeah, Chaimberlain belt drive openers. That's what they are. So they look like they're in pretty good shape. So I'm gonna close the door now. Yeah, I'm sure all this one needs some lubrication. Okay, now open this one back up. This one seems to be in good shape.
What about the door?
Yeah, I'm sure this one just needs a bit of lubrication as well. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go outside. So here's the outside. They are the wood doors. So I'm not sure if they're insulated wood. Yeah, I'm not sure, but can
You want to close?
wait? No, that one open. Just try the lights. So yeah. So aren't these in pretty good doors? You know, leave it open. Then we have a keypad here. Buddy. Yeah, so I mean, it looks fine, I guess. And now I'm gonna open it back up. Right.
So you want me to close that one?
This one. Yeah, all this one needs is lubrication.
What about the door itself?
And the doors, and now I'm going to look at the actual doors. So Yeah. So they look like they're in pretty good shape. I don't see exactly why.
Okay, look at
They
this
need
one.
new ones. And yeah, that I have no idea what that is, but
That's foam that they put in because it had a hole in it.
yeah, so this one I guess for sure needs to be replaced. But that one I'm not so sure because
It had a little rubber coming off the bottom.
yeah, I guess it had a little rubber coming off the bottom, yeah. So good, but you could just replace the bottom seal and I think I might do a balance test because that's another like so a balance test is another like important part. So, do they have any ladders or anything?
Not right now, honey. Maybe this summer when you.
Yeah, well, yeah, so that's the opener. So, basically, they're thinking of replacing the doors. They definitely do not need new openers because these are quiet Chaimberlains. I know that. And yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. And I will see you in the next video.